Engineering at Home, with Stephen the Engineer. Ever wondered how you're able to lounge around in your living room, snug as a bug, while a snowstorm rages outside? Or how you're cool as a cucumber during a heat wave, while the sun is cooking eggs on the sidewalk? The answer to these creature comforts isn't magic, but a marvel of engineering: your HVAC system. HVAC stands for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, and it's the unsung hero that keeps your home as comfortable as a nest. The simple twist of a dial or press of a button can whisk you from the tropics to the Arctic and back again. At the heart of your HVAC system is a process called heat transfer. When you're cold and craving warmth, your heating system pulls in cold air, passes it over a heat exchanger, and voila, warm air wafts into your rooms. It's as if your house is wearing an invisible cozy sweater. But what about when it's hotter than a jalapeno outside, and you want your home to be an oasis of chill? Enter the superhero of summer, the air conditioner. Your AC uses refrigerants, compounds with a neat trick. They absorb heat from the air inside your home and dump it outside. It's like your house is sipping a cool lemonade, while the sun's rays beat down relentlessly. And let's not forget the V in HVAC, ventilation. It's the silent operator that keeps the air in your home fresh and reduces humidity levels, making sure your home doesn't feel like a swamp in summer or a desert in winter. But your HVAC system isn't just a climate control magician. It's also a guardian of your health. Many systems come equipped with air purifiers and filters that trap dust, allergens, and pollutants, ensuring the air you breathe is as clean as a whistle. So there you have it. Your HVAC system, the wizard of weather control, the titan of temperature, the guardian of good air. It's not just a bunch of ducts and machines. It's a carefully designed, highly engineered system that creates comfort at your fingertips. Next time you adjust your thermostat, remember the complex ballet of engineering happening behind the scenes, just to keep you cozy. So go on, enjoy that perfect indoor climate. Your HVAC system's got it covered. After all, home is where the perfect temperature is. Keep it cool. Or warm. You decide.